Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to try and do a bloom. I haven't done it for a while. I did take the Shelley course and love doing the blooms, but I'm out of practice. So let's give this a whirl and see if I can remember how to do it. I am using the Little Piggy pigments. I've got lots of bright colors like techno and grunge and funk, taffy, groove, Inferno, one of my favorites. And I just did, actually my last video, I did a swipe of a whole bunch of bright colors and loved it. So I want to try and do a bright, colorful bloom. So let's see what happens. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars, thank you so much, you guys. I love all your comments and all your thumbs up. Speaking of, my granddaughter said to me, "Grandma, how come you're not getting very many thumbs up?" I said, "I don't know." She said, "Well, did you ask?" And I said, "No, actually I didn't." She said, "Well, Grandma, you have to ask." So I'm asking, please hit the thumbs up for my granddaughter so she can say, "Way to go, Grandma, you got lots of thumbs up." Okay, Greg's gonna hit some music. Let's have some fun, create a masterpiece.
tried to walk away from you. The rush of leaving helped me too, but I'd be lying if I told you that I sleep just fine. 'Cause I toss and turn an hour or two. I wake up hoping something new will take me on my way, and I'll find you waiting where we left things, picking up the pieces, all the good we should have been, and you were still looking, but it's all in my head. 'Cause I remember what you said. You're the phantom in my head, and I remember. You disarm me with your new disguise and discard me with your empty